Hey everyone, welcome to Kraftaria. This channel is a virtual hangout spot for all the arts and craft lovers. My name is Sarika and I bring you this journey from my table to your screen. I am a self-taught artist and I am always learning and experimenting with new things. Art has always been my passion since my childhood and I just can't stick to one form of art. I experiment with mixed media and love to create new things that have my own style and signature. Whenever someone sees my artwork, their first reaction is, "Wow, how did you make this?" This YouTube channel is the answer to that question. Here I'll show you the process of everything I create. I love to do quilling, dot painting, make greeting cards, crochet, watercolor, tangling, doodling, bead weaving, jewellery making, of course cooking and baking, and the list is never ending. You can see few of my creations in this video. You can learn and get inspired from all the videos I post here. You can share your valuable feedback with me. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with like-minded people. I post 3 to 4 videos every week. If you are a Hindi lover, you can subscribe to my Hindi channel, Shabdon Ki Kitab. There I share my Hindi poems and stories. I hope to see this community growing and I'll keep sharing my artwork with you.